Hey everyone, the ROG Keris 2 Ace, the newest gaming mouse from Asus Republic of Gamers, was just introduced to the Chinese market. With its feature-rich appearance and outstanding performance, this cutting-edge peripheral, which was unveiled last month, is intended to satisfy the demands of ardent gamers and experts enthusiasts. The ROG AimPoint Pro 42K optical sensor, which has a maximum tracking speed of 750 IPS and an amazing 42,000 DPI resolution, is one of the most notable features of the ROG Keris 2 Ace. Because glass tracking technology is incorporated, this high accuracy assures little deviation and accurate tracking across various surfaces. The mouse also introduces the ROG Polling Rate Accelerator, offering an industry-leading polling rate of up to 8000 Hz in wired mode and up to 4000 Hz in wireless mode. This results in reduced input latency, providing gamers with faster and more accurate responses during critical gaming moments. Despite its powerful performance, the ROG Keris 2 Ace remains incredibly lightweight at just 54 grams, and a carefully developed PCB layout. This lightweight appearance minimizes fatigue during long gaming sessions, allowing for quicker movements and improved control. Connectivity options are also versatile, with support for 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired modes. The mouse incorporates ROG's Omni technology for multi-device pairing, giving gamers the flexibility to choose their preferred connection method based on their gaming setup. The Keris 2 Ace features SpeedNova Wireless technology for optimized wireless transmission, ensuring low latency and a smooth gaming experience even in environments with signal interference. Additionally, the mouse is built to last, with ROG optical mechanical micro switches, boasting a lifespan of 100 million clicks, ensuring reliable performance under intense gaming conditions. With a price tag of 899 yuan, or around $124, Asus has formally opened pre-orders for the ROG Keris 2 Ace gaming mouse in the Chinese market. Before it is officially released, gamers and enthusiasts can now reserve this feature-rich mouse. Long-lasting stamina for extended gaming sessions is provided by the ROG Keris 2 Ace, which has a battery life of up to 106 hours in 2.4 GHz mode. It also has useful features that improve gaming performance and aesthetics, such customizable lighting effects with Aura Sync RGB synchronization, grip-enhancing ROG textured anti-slip stickers, and PBT left or right buttons for a consistent clicking sensation. I really appreciate you watching my videos. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.